everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am just trying to express the importance of vocabulary and what mistakes am I doing while not doing practice with the new words, and that is what I need to focus, and I need to change my way of speaking somehow by just adding some new words and good and essential words in my spoken skills. Let's get started. So here I am Aarti and I'm trying to convey my message to you. I don't know whether you will understand it or not, but the only purpose of recording this video is how can I express my opinion on adding new words in our spoken, because it is something which I am trying to incorporate in my spoken. So I thought if I am learning something, I should share my learnings with you. So I just want to say that I have written almost 20 new vocab. I don't know, are you able to see this or not? Maybe not. So I just want to say that I've written 20 vocab only from one time and one time video, and I have not repeated that video, but I didn't got all the meanings of these words, but somehow I just got one review of that video and I realized that if I'll write down these vocab, maybe I don't know the proper meaning of these words, but whenever I'll try to read these words, I have to actively force myself to understand the meaning of those, and I'll try to search those words on Google, and then I try to find the meaning and the different contexts of these context, like how to use these words in different context, and that's what I'll try to figure out. Then I'll actively learn the meaning of these words, and I will also learn to apply these words in my spoken also. Go with slow pace. As you know that if you are learning this language, it is almost a long journey, so you have to understand and keep this thought in your mind that you have to learn only limited vocabulary in a day, and try to revise all the previous vocab which you have learned in your last few days. So you need to focus on your present vocab plus past learned, जो भी आपने vocab past में पढ़ी और जो आज पढ़ी, उन सबको पढ़ के चलना है. And that's how you have to focus, that are you using your previous vocab which you've learned and wrote down in your notebook, and instead of using present, you have to focus on your past vocabularies also. Overall, you have to keep on learning these day by day, and you will see that after 1 month you would have a lot of vocabulary to use. And don't pressurize yourself to just learn too many vocabulary in one day. If you can't practice with those vocabulary, then there is no benefit of writing down those vocabulary in your notebook. So try to understand the meaning of saying these lines, that learn these amount of vocabulary which you can revise, which you can learn, which you can use in your spoken English. You can practically apply the different vocabulary in your spoken, and don't learn these vocabulary to show off your skills that you have some advanced words. No, learn these words and try to make yourself a better version. If you didn't know these words last day, now you know, and now you can add some new words, and you have done some improvement from the last day till now, and now you have changed your level of English. So day by day, after one more thing which I want to share, that saying is easy but doing it difficult. For example, I don't know how to say it in a phrase, but one thing that I know is, जैसे आप लोगों को बोलना ये आसान है, लेकिन ये करना मेरे खुद के लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल है. एंड दैट इज़ वॉट अ ट्रुथ, कि हम बोल तो देते हैं लेकिन खुद फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. तो इट इज़ समटाइम्स कॉल्ड टेस्ट योर ओन मेडिसिन बिफोर सजेस्टिंग इट टू अदर और प्रेस्क्राइबिंग दीज मेडिसिन टू अदर्स. बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से दैट समटाइम्स 90% of times I say such things to you which I always try to follow for myself, and 10% things are those which I have already command over, or I am planning to practice those things in my spoken. So I never say such things which I don't follow or which I don't mean, and that's what I want to say. And more than that, if I have told you that I'll do this practice till the end of this month I will do it, and I'll not skip this practice. Maybe I'll be not able to record my 3 videos in a day, but I will try to record at least minimum 2 videos. And I hope you are understanding that not every day it is not possible for me like to record 3 videos, but I'll try to record those. But moreover, I will have that time, like I can record at least 2 videos in a day. But when I'll get this time, I'll try to record 3 also. But today I just want to tell you in a fast manner, that what 20 vocab I've written in my notebook. So let's एक बार go through कर लेते हैं इनको, and next time we will find ways to use these in our. Number 1 is ambiguous. Ambiguous means something which is not clear cut, like something which is confused. ना तो ना किया ना हाँ किया और बीच में छोड़ दिया, कोई जवाब ही नहीं मिला, तो उस तरीके के जो मतलब निकलते हैं, तब हम बोलते हैं कि दैट वाज अ एम्बिगुअस आंसर. सो दैट वाज एम्बिगुअस email sent by the employer. So that's how you can use it. Inevitable, like which is impossible to avoid, like exams are near now, studies is inevitable. Number 3 is meticulous, मतलब someone who is very caring and take care of everything and check out everything without doing any mistake. So yeah, the editor was so meticulous, he wrote down every important point and just suggested us to focus on those. Okay, more than that, hypothetical, like something which you supposed or which you imagined, but that is not proven yet. So this is a hypothetical situation where I'm trying to like tell you trying to convey these words to you, but I don't know would you like take it or not. Okay, understand the meaning of subtle. Subtle, something which is you will never focus on, or which you will never try to like think that you have done anything. Like subtle is kind of very small changes which no one can like identify at first time. Like आपने बहुत ही सटल, बहुत ही ना मतलब नाम के चेंज किए हैं किसी चीज़ में, तो ऐसा कुछ भी हो सकता है मतलब इसका. Like I've done subtle changes in my vocab, I've done subtle changes in my way of speaking. That's how. Next is reluctant. It is similar to hesitant, someone who is hesitant or not want to do something. Condescending, that means polite but in negative way. और humiliated, मतलब something जो हम बड़े हैं लेकिन हमें कोई बच्चों की तरह ट्रीट करे, तो उसे बोलते हैं कि condescending behavior. Okay, next is coherent, something which is easy to follow. Like मेरे videos coherent है या नहीं, these videos are coherent or not, I don't know, I don't have any idea. Someone from the audience can tell me and comment below my video. Okay, next is plausible. It means something which is believable, and you can use it. I just trying to give you the simple version of that word and somehow linked word to that vocab. For example, superficial, something which is not too deep, like we are ignoring the main thing and just focus on the upper things, like which are not important and useless things, I can say. Ambivalent, something which is not neither good nor bad, मतलब न्यूट्रल एक तरीके का जो वर्जन होता है, ना तो अच्छा ना बुरा, तो एम्बीवेलेंट बोलते हैं उसको. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज रेजिलियंट, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. Comprehensive, it means detailed and complete information. For example, my teacher gave me the comprehensive knowledge of topic. Okay, now the next is perceive. किसी चीज़ को हम किस वे में लेते हैं, कैसे समझते हैं. I perceive every note of the teacher in a very positive way. I don't know how do you perceive my message from like through these video. Just tell me. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज नोटोरियस. आपको पता है बदनाम, मतलब जो फेमस है बट नेगेटिव चीज़ों के लिए फेमस है, उसे नोटोरियस बोलते हैं. ओके, नेगेटिवली फेमस पर्सन. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट इज आर्बिट्ररी, मतलब आर्बिट्ररी जिसका कोई लॉजिक नहीं है, बस ऐसे ही मन करा वैसे ही वो चीज़ बदल दी, वैसी तय कर दी। मतलब is that meeting time was that meeting time decided by because of some reasons, or is that arbitrary? So that's how you can use it. Okay, next is feasible, something which is easy to use and easy to like apply and understand. That is feasible way of understanding, feasible way of like taking it and just processing it. Okay, now next is substantial. I already told you enough amount of something. And 19 is validate. Yes, validate करना, किसी चीज़ को prove करना एक तरीके से, that it is validate, it validate the importance of this product. That's how you can use it in your daily life. And next and last, 20th is intricate. That means something which is too much interconnected, that is called intricate. So this is something intricate concept which you need to understand from basics, and it will take your full focus, so just focus on that. So these are my 20 vocab and I learned. I have already told you that I don't know the exact meaning of these words. I'm just trying to connect these words with some simple words, and that's how I find some kind of similarity, and I try to like replace easy words with these words, and that's how I'll try to incorporate these words in my spoken. And that's it from my side. Thank you so much. It's 11:39 p.m. right now, and I'm recording this because in daytime I was not able to record this video, and I'm not making excuses, that is the truth. But I just want to like share that why things are difficult for me. This is just because I'm going through something and I'm trying to. Okay, everything is all right, but the most important thing is don't skip your practice, because that is the most important thing in your whole day. If you are doing your practice, you are much better, like you are doing great in your basic thing. And the most important thing is don't skip your practice, and just try to incorporate some good habits in your day, and try to do focus on your learnings as much as you can, and not only like waste your time in just listening whole day. Focus on every activity like learning, reading, speaking, and writing. You need to focus on all the four aspects of the English, and this is very much important. And try to advance your English every day. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've liked it. If you liked it, then please subscribe it also. Okay, bye, see you again in the next video.